You want to be a profitable trader. You want to be consistent in the market, making money when trading. Then you need to know about this market structure. Profitable traders around the world have one thing in common: deep understanding of what market structure. What's market structure? In forex trading, market structure is basically the way price move over time, how highs and lows form patterns that traders use to understand trend direction and potential reversals. It's that simple. Think of it as the story price is telling. That's what structure is, market structure. There are three types: uptrend structure, downtrend structure, and consolidating structure. Let's get into that. There are three types of market structure. The uptrend, price is doing what? Going up. It's increasing. The downtrend, price is doing what? Going down. It's decreasing. And the consolidating structure, price is moving sideways. There is no clear direction of the market. Now, looking at it, what do you do? When it comes to the consolidating structure, you don't trade this. Don't trade this. Anytime you see it, you don't trade it. Now, what do you trade? You trade the uptrend and the downtrend. The uptrend, how do you trade the uptrend? First of all, how do you know an uptrend, a valid uptrend? Uptrend forms higher high and higher low. Looking at the edge, you can see the up edge, higher high. Look at it, higher low. This is what you will see. I'm not saying you will see an higher high to be written higher high or higher low. You have to understand what I'm saying. When you see it, keep forming what? A higher high and there's an higher low. What do I mean? Look. How do you know it's valid? You know it's an uptrend. You know the market is what? Bullish. It's going up. But how do you know it's valid? When this higher high keeps breaking previous higher high. Look. What did it do? It broke it. Then it did what? It formed another higher high. Retrace. Formed what? Higher low. This higher low will never. This higher low over here will never break this one. Will never go below. Never. Because if it breaks it, it means it is trying. That is a market structure shift. I'm not going into that now. But this is what I'm saying. To know a valid uptrend, it will keep doing what? Breaking the higher high. And the higher low will never what? Break the previous higher low. Look, higher high. What did it do? It broke it. Then look at the higher low. Did it break it? Did it go lower? No. This is what it keeps doing. Then you know, oh, this trend is valid. This uptrend is valid. Now, how do you trade an uptrend? The retracement. You buy in an uptrend. Buy long. When it forms the higher high, okay, this is valid. You see the higher high. You wait for a retracement, this higher low. This higher low is where you buy. It retrace, you buy. You take your profit, it retrace, you buy. Take your profit, retrace, you buy. That is how you trade an uptrend. Now, looking at the downtrend, I'm going to show you all this in a real chart. Just try and understand it here first. Now, a downtrend, what do you do in a downtrend? You sell. Now, the downtrend is opposite from the uptrend. Look at it. Lower low and lower high. It's always giving a series of lower low and lower high. The lower high is strong. That's why you see, you don't see it breaking it. It will not go above. It's always lower than the previous lower high. It's the lower low that is always breaking. You can see, go, retrace, it breaks, retrace, it breaks. They know, oh, this is a valid what? Downtrend. Then how do you trade it? As I said earlier, the retracement. After breaking this what? Lower low, you look for the retracement. Once it retrace, you do what? You sell. Then take your profit. Look for another retracement. You sell. It is that simple. You just need to look for a good strategy that works with the trend, and it will make your life easier and closer to being profitable. I hope you guys learn from this, are learning from this. Now, let me show you another thing. Market structure shift. Market structure shift. Let's look at this uptrend. As I said earlier, uptrend forms higher high and higher low. The higher low won't break below this what? Higher low. It will never go lower. The new one will not still go lower. But the new higher high always do what? It's always breaking above the previous higher high. The same thing, retrace. Now it will break it, retrace. The higher low breaks it. Now, the point I'm trying to get to, what if there's a situation when it breaks? Yeah, let me type MSS. This shows that now there is a what? Market structure shift, whereby forming a lower low. It retraces, forming a what? A lower high. In an uptrend, you buy, right? But when there's a market structure shift, showing you that now there's a change in market direction, you look for what? A sell. Same goes for the downtrend. Market does what? Forming what? Lower high and lower low. The lower low keeps breaking and the lower high keeps following the same frequency. It doesn't break, it doesn't go above it. Then the situation whereby the lower high got broken, it breaks it. Then forming what? A higher high, a higher low. It was a downtrend, now it's an uptrend. What do? You buy. A downtrend, you sell. When it change, you do what? You buy. And it is called what? A market structure shift. Let me mark this other one. I want you to burn this image in your mind. Now, going into the real charts. Before we go into the real charts, go into market structure too. If you know you're confused or you don't understand what I've been saying so far, go back or watch it over and over again because I simplified everything. When you're done, you go to market structure 2, then you watch the real chart of me explaining everything. If you like this video so far, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be sending more educational videos like this here. Stay blessed, and I hope you guys keep doing what? Keep making money, keep being profitable. Peace out.